Hello friends, hope everything is fine with you guys. Well, in this project we are going to create, or you can say that we are going to take a look at few methods by which we can create flowers in Illustrator. Yes friend, and that too we can do using effects. Yes friend. So let's get started. First of all, we have this ellipse tool, beautiful ellipse tool. Let's select it and let's draw a simple circle, just a circle, that's it. Make its color, say, yeah, this one only. Let's go to the effect, distort and transform, pucker and bloat. Click on OK, and after you are done, let's go to the effects again, distort and transform, transform. Hit the preview option. Let's make 5 to 6 copies and play around with the angle, and see, you have created a beautifully looking flower, right? So this is method 1. So what is method 1? Draw a circle. You can even note it down. Draw a circle, apply pucker and bloat, and then create multiple copies of that. Okay. Second, select the star tool. Yes. Draw a star. Yeah. Say like this. Go to the effects, distort and transform, pucker and bloat. And see, it's even cool, right? So that's it, using the star tool. So using star and just the pucker and bloat. And again, you can go to the effect, distort and transform, transform, create multiple copies, say 5 copies. Make sure to check the preview option and see, there you go. You can even keep it like that. So using star tool you can create one, using the circle also you can create one. And let's create an ellipse now, just like this, a petal kind of, right? Or you can say a leaf kind of. Now let's select the anchor point. That's it. And now let's go to the effects, distort and transform, transform. Check the preview option. Let's rotate it, say 15 degree, and our base, the key point will be this point at the bottom. Now create multiple copies and see. You can even try to increase the angle if you wish, and see. Well, these are some basic ways by which you can create flower using the effects in Illustrator. Well, in our additional project section, we have a really cool project where we will create a really cool flower. Yes, friend. And yeah, okay, that time we will see. So that's it, guys. I think that till now we have covered a few ways of creating flowers in our lectures only. So I thought that why not put all of them in one lecture and make it a project, because that will help you to keep it in your mind that, oh yeah, we have these techniques of creating flowers. So that's it, guys. Here I'm concluding this project. Hope you are really enjoying and also learning a lot. Again, I am telling you that if you have any issue understanding something, please feel free to tell me. I am always here to clear your concept. So here I am concluding this lecture. See you in the next lecture. Till then, have fun. Take care.